Welcome to Digital Signal Processing Lab demonstration. Before going to demonstrate, let us understand the introduction to Digital Signal Processing Lab. The main objective of this laboratory is to study the signals and systems using MATLAB software. Using MATLAB, the M files are created in which the basic operations are computed to extract the information from the signals and systems. In this demo session, the students will learn to write a MATLAB program for digital signal processing applications using signal processing toolbox in MATLAB software. Here are some list of experiments. In this session, I am going to discuss about basic operations on matrices, and some other experiments are there. We are going to discuss those experiments in coming classes. So before going to deal with first experiment, let me explain about MATLAB. MATLAB stands for Matrix Laboratory. It is a powerful software in doing mathematics, scientific and engineering calculations. MATLAB is a high performance numeric computation and visualization software package. MATLAB is both computer programming language and software environment for using that language effectively. MATLAB is matrix oriented, so it takes few lines which is not possible with line Proton, C and C++. These are some computations we do in signal processing using MATLAB. For example, matrix analysis and computation, vector analysis, differential equation computation, integrations, simulations, and drawing graphs, 2D and 3D plots. So let us start with first experiment. The name of the experiment is Basic Operations of Matrices. The aim of this experiment is to verify the basic operations on matrices using MATLAB. So we have some basic operations like additions, subtractions, multiplication, division, finding power of a matrix, power of each element individually, range specifications, square roots. We will operate these basic operations on a matrices. So these are the symbols we have on the right hand side. So if you operate these basic operations in MATLAB, we are going to get this type of outputs. So now we will see these operations in MATLAB software. Before going to that, just I will explain some syntaxes that we have in MATLAB. So if we want to add two matrices, suppose I have a matrix A and it is a 3 by 3 matrix, and matrix B, it is also 3 by 3 matrix. So to give input for a MATLAB, the matrix A can be given like this. A equal to square brackets 1, 2, 3 semicolon 4, 5, 6 semicolon 7, 8, 9. So if you give that and if you put an enter, you are going to get a matrix like this. Similarly, we are going to get B matrix also. The basic operation addition can be executed like this. Capital X is equal to matrix A plus matrix B. So if you write this one in MATLAB, you are going to get X directly. So if you observe this X, so element by element operations are happening. For example, if you see the 4 we are getting 4 from the element first column, first row, 1 is added to first column, first row, 3. So 1 plus 3 we are going to get 4. So this operation is element by element operation. Similarly, if you can see subtraction, we will get this is the output. And product, so we have to be very careful here about product. So we have matrix multiplication. So Z is equal to A star B will give an output Z. So this is matrix multiplication as we do in our matrix operations. And we can have transpose also. Transpose can be given as T is equal to A dash. Similarly, some other things are there. I want to explain these things, basic operations, by using MATLAB software. Let us see how to do these operations in MATLAB. So we have on desktop a MATLAB icon. So if you double click this one, it will open. Now MATLAB is opening. Here we will see some MATLAB operations. From this we can understand certain logical